Capt.P.Rajendran, head of the Department of Nautical Science. Third one is called secondary cyclone. Secondary cyclone means low pressure always forms. Okay, when low pressure forms, it doesn't need that. When one low pressure passed, there will be a possibility of other low pressure, which is following the primary one. That is called secondary low. Secondary because when conditions are met. Now we will look small example will give you. This is a cyclone. What happened? The cyclone is coming towards Chennai. When it is coming towards Chennai, what is happening? Then it is a cyclone is passing. When it is passing to the land, it will weakness because of the land frictional forces. When it is harshness, it is the other side, eastern side to western side, which is Arabian Sea. Again there is it will pick up. That is called secondary. Means when the conditions are met to form a cyclone, there is secondary also there, third also there. Sometimes 3 cyclones also follows. Very rarely it happens. That is called secondary cyclone. Next one is called high pressure. Now we are talking about low pressure. Low pressure means whenever warm air is there, it is due to evaporation, there is vacuum created, the air trying to come under place, that is called low pressure. High pressure area means what is happening? The air, cold air which is always sinking down, when it is sinking down, pressing the air, there is no much vacuum is created. So that is the pressure is there. That is called high pressure. Very simple, as I told you earlier, high pressure means good weather, low pressure means bad weather. Very simple. What is happening? The cause of high pressure? High pressure means the air, cold air is sinking down. When it is sinking down, there is no vacuum is created. So there is no cloud formation. When cloud formation is not, that is called clear skies. There is no cloud, that's why it is clear skies. Next, sunshine. Why? There is no clouds. So the sun directly will hit the earth. So there will be a sunshine. Dry weather. Why it is dry weather? Because humidity is not there. Because clouds are not there. When clouds are there, high humidity. When there is no clouds, dry weather. High day and low night temperatures. Because a high day, it is a high and low night, it is a low temperatures. Calm weather. Calm weather means why? Because there is no vacuum created. High pressure is pressing the air. No much vacuum is created. That weather is calm. That's what I said. It is high pressure area means it is always good pressure. Dew and frost. Why dew and frost is happening? Because of the cold air, warm air. Because cold air is already there, there is warm air is there existing. When both meet, there is a formation of dew or frost or fog or mist. This all which is very poor visibility, causes of visibility. Poor visibility. So this is called high pressure. Look at that same anticyclone. This is a super pressure. Anticyclone is nothing, it is a high pressure. Cyclone is a low pressure. Anticyclone is a high pressure. The next one is fifth one is called call. Call is the region which is two, and so the map you can see now when too high and too low both are meeting, isomers are meeting. The between the too high and between the too low is called call. That is a call region in the news. The sixth one is called ridge or wedge. Ridge or wedge means it's a high pressure. Ridge means always high pressure because now you can see that. Look at this. This ridge means like a mountain. The isomers are outside, that is moving there like a mountain is explored. That is called high pressure area. Now you see that you can make out now. This is a ridge or wedge. It's a high pressure getting into areas of low pressure is called ridge. Low pressure is called trough. Trough or low pressure. Trough means low pressure. The outside lines which is going there. You can see this. When you look at that, you can see it's going down like a ridge is always like moving upwards like a mountain. Trough is going down like a L shape. That is called trough. So these are the 7 isomeric patterns, which again I will briefly tell you. Number 1 is a straight isobar. It's a isomers which are extending about few hundred miles is called straight isomers. Cyclone. Second one is called cyclone or low. Okay, the low pressure area surrounded by the high pressure area is called cyclone or low. Okay, it is always in the warm air is rising up, so the vacuum is created. So there is a air which is surrounding will try to fill up the area in the anti-clockwise direction. The third one is called secondary cyclone or secondary low. Sometimes the second low is closely followed by the another cyclone, that is called secondary. The fourth one is called trough. Trough is, I told you, is extending outward from the low pressure area. Trough means the low pressure area. The fifth one is called high pressure. High pressure means, I told you, there is a cold air which is sinking down. There will be no vacuum created. The weather is good. That is called high pressure area. The sixth one is called ridge or high pressure area. The isomers are extending outward from high pressure area is called ridge. The last one is called call region. The calm region is a region between the too high and too low. So with that, I am finishing just the pressure system. General, I am not gone into very deep because just simply I am talking about what is pressure system. Thank you.